I'm doing now is I'm just doing the main frame. So we've done a small outline just to give us an idea of scale, and I'm doing the main frame now, so I'm using 12mm round. So if you have a look, but I've got to get this pretty right. So I've got to do the bit for his behind. I've set his legs in the right position, and then I've just got to pull this round. So the head wants to go up a bit more. I'll leave the head till last because that's all repousse and that's got to be dead right. So I'm just doing the main frame now, just so I can hold the fleece and wrap the wire around. I wore this t-shirt for my apprentice. Look. So I ain't worried about the head end, I just want to get the body and scale so they don't look too bad. I'll just tack it on. I'll tack them first, and then when I get them dead right, then I'll weld them up. I'll cut the skinny frame out from it later. It's just to get an idea of size. So we've got the head on, I'm just going to weld that on a bit better. So it's just to follow the body through, and then I'll do the sides, and then obviously the muscle structure on the sides of the legs will be different. I've just done the tummy, but once I start cutting this out, you'll see it change shape again. There's an easy way of bending it. I'll bend it on my anvil. I'll just measure it, I'll cut a couple of pieces, I'll show you how I bend it on there. I'll bend it on the back of the anvil, or around my anvils, and use half a bar. Then you don't need to drag a swage block around, it's really easy to bend them up. So if I just give myself a couple of bits, 500mm. Oh look, there's a gearbox out my car. You'll see my new car in the next film. The gearbox blew up, so we had to get another one. So we've got a forged jalopy. Right. So it's a Tetzel sheep, like I said earlier, so they're meat bred sheep really. But they're like a little Rottweiler, they're like a little Staffy, but they've always got a smiley face, look. So I'll start to put a bend on him. Ain't too bad once you get one if you've got two sides, because you can use it as a template to do the other side, but most of it's just by eye. And it's just to give you a bit of a guideline. You won't see this much because it's all going to be covered in its fleece, which we'll do some more later. Much easier than a swage block. Trouble is you just round the back of your anvil off, but most anvils are smashed off on the back, that's why I do that, and then this just drops in your hardy hole, look. It's a right natty little tool. I can make any shape I like on that. And you don't have to heat it up. Which is a bit naughty because I didn't want to be a cold metal bender, but there you go. Right, it's not too bad. I'll just put a little curl on there. That'll do. Now I've got to do is make another one. Close enough. Put that down a bit. Leg a bit further forward, so I cut a bit more off. His legs are not, you don't stand square, he's walking a bit. Just gives me a guide for his head and his neckline then. Needs to be pretty strong because when it goes in the galvanising tank it's going to heave all over the place. That's not bad. Oh, found it. I'll try and do it light so you can't look through it and see all the bars. Just to hold it. Oh, here we go.